125. Is there a church near here? 126. Can I buy you a drink? 127. Are you on your own? 128. Would you like to join us? 129. Do you come here often? 130. Is this your first time here? 131. Have you been here before? 132. Have you been here before? 133. Do you want to go for a drink sometime? 134. If you'd like to meet up sometime, let me know. 135. Would you like to join me for a coffee? 136. Do you fancy going to see a film sometime? 137. That sounds good. 138. Sorry, you're not my type. 139. Here's my number. 140. You look great. 141. You look very nice tonight. 142. I like your outfit. 143. You're really good looking. 144. You've got beautiful eyes. 145. You've got a great smile. 146. Thanks for the compliment. 147. What do you think of this place? 148. Shall we go somewhere else? 149. I know a good place. 150. Can I kiss you? 151. Can I walk you home? 152. Can I drive you home? 153. Would you like to come in for a coffee? 154. Thanks, I had a great evening. 155. When can I see you again? 156. I'll call you. 157. I enjoy spending time with you. 158. I find you very attractive. 159. Will you marry me? 160. Are you up to anything this evening? 161. Have you got any plans for this evening? 162. What would you like to do this evening? 163. Do you want to go somewhere at the weekend? 164. Would you like to join me for something to eat?